You are now watching Doorbell News.
Glendale, Arizona. Check her out. Looks like she's about to fall asleep. We've been getting a lot of videos lately of imposters dressing up like they're working, but they're really just porch pirates. So be on the lookout.
I don't know, in your house, back here, your backyard.
So these guys are dressed up like they're working for the gas company, but they have other plans. Let's see what happens. Memphis, Tennessee. What's this guy want? He definitely looks like he doesn't have a job.
I'm sorry, who are you?
Get lost! Chico, California. So these guys are obviously at the wrong address. They walk right inside this homeowner's house, but they get stopped. Let's see what happens.
Yeah. Okay. All right, number 2. I'm sorry, man.
Redlands, California. Dallas, Texas. So this guy walks up to somebody's house with a shotgun, but it doesn't even have a grip.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
Can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Los Angeles, California. Yeah, so this lady in a green shirt comes by and tries to snag somebody's mail. But this dog isn't letting it happen. Good dog. Phoenix, Arizona. Check this guy out.
Hi, how can I help you?
Hey, can I make a phone call?
Nope, I'm sorry. We don't have a house phone in file.
Get lost! Meanwhile in New London.
What the fuck was that?
Huntington Park, California. Obviously, these guys are ready for 4th of July. Baltimore, Maryland. Another person dressed up with this yellow vest acting like he's working, but he's really trying to snag somebody's package.
Right. Right. What? What?
Colorado Springs, Colorado. Check this guy out. Hey, you can take that off my door, buddy. Lafayette, Louisiana.
Hey. Excuse me. Hey. Yeah. Yeah, last week they changed a brief. I can hear you. Where you at? Let me talk to you at the barn. I needed myself to talk to Jerome about other business stuff. So I was going to already be doing that anyway. Let's do that. You had the wrong one. What you mean?
Meanwhile, in Glendale, she's still at the door.
Why is everything inside?
Denver, Colorado. Check out her posture. What she got, like scoliosis or something? Yeah, you may want to go to the chiropractor and get that checked out, lady.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Make sure you thumbs up this video and make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. New episode coming tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Doorbell News Crime Watch, coming to a neighborhood near you.
Make sure you subscribe today.